You type a simple idea, click a few buttons, and within minutes, it turns into a fully animated cartoon video. Sounds unbelievable, right? Today I'm reviewing ToonBee AI to see whether it's actually worth your time or just another overhyped AI tool. Plus, I'll show you how to log in and create your first project. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy way to create cartoon-style videos without animation skills, this video is for you. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly what ToonBee AI offers, how to get started, and whether it's the right tool for your content. First, open the ToonBee AI website and click the sign up button if you're a new user. You can create an account using your Google account or your email address. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard where all the AI creation tools are available. The interface is clean and beginner friendly, so even if it's your first time using AI video software, you won't feel overwhelmed. To create a video, start a new project. Enter your topic or script, then choose a cartoon style that matches your idea. ToonBee AI automatically generates animated scenes, characters, voiceovers, and transitions. You can customize character expressions, colors, backgrounds, and even replace scenes to better match your story. The biggest advantage is that you don't need advanced editing skills. Most of the work is handled by AI, which saves a huge amount of time. After testing ToonBee AI, I found that it's especially useful for YouTube creators, educators, marketers, and anyone who wants to make engaging animated videos quickly. The animations look polished, and the workflow is simple enough for beginners while still offering useful customization options. Like most AI tools, the quality of the final video depends on your script and prompts. The more specific your instructions, the better the results. If you're using the free plan, keep in mind that there may be limitations on credits or export quality, while the paid plan unlocks more features and faster generation. So, is ToonBee AI worth it? If you want to create professional-looking cartoon videos without learning complex animation software, my answer is yes. It's fast, easy to use, and can significantly reduce the time it takes to produce content. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.